Hey guys, is YouTube not recommending your video? I'm going to show you what you are going to do so that YouTube will start liking you and it will start recommending your videos right away. Yes. Are you a small YouTuber? Are you struggling to get views? Are you struggling to get that 4,000 watch hours? I'm going to show you some things, some three secrets that you are going to do to implement in your channel, and YouTube will start recommending your content right away. Yes, so if that's what you are looking for, let's get into the video so that I can show you. I'm going to carry you step by step, so I'm going to show you everything on YouTube. If you are using a laptop, and if you are not using a laptop, then you are using your smartphone, you have to go on www.youtubestudio.com. Don't go in the YouTube Studio app, because what I'm going to show you, it will not work. But if you are using a laptop, then come with me. I'm going to show you step by step. Yes, so you will come here where your photo is. Yes, like on YouTube in that corner where your photo is, then you click on it. When I click on my photo, then it's going to tell me to view my channel. Then I'll click on view your channel. You click on view your channel, guys. So I'm going to show you the things that I did that was able to get me this 4K subscribers, and to get me monetized, and to get me views. So you come and press here where it says customize channel. Yes, so when you press on where it says customize channel, then it's going to take you to the to the YouTube studio. Excuse me. So it's going to take you to the YouTube studio, and there in the YouTube studio there are some settings that we are going to tag on, that is going to help YouTube recommend our videos so that we can get the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hour watch quickly. And when we get that, it's going to help us to get monetized. So I'm also going to give you the last tip. It will be the last tip that I'll give you. I'll just add it as a bonus so that it can help. So stick with me up to the end. So one of the things that you're supposed to do, you're supposed to have like a channel banner on your YouTube. Like when people come to your channel, they don't get confused. If you leave it blank, people will come. Maybe sometimes you think people don't check it, but sometimes people will go there. Some people want to see all the details, so they'll go there, check it. Here you can put a logo. If you don't want to put your picture, you can put the logo of what your YouTube channel is about, or you can put your picture if that's what you want. Then let me show you what I want to show you. Then this is the home tab, and here on the home tab there are things that you are going to turn on that is going to help YouTube know your channel more and help you to recommend your videos to the right people and to the right audience. Yes, so as you see, my channel tab is on, but most people don't know is they don't know this, and their channel tabs are off. So if it was off, it will be blank, nothing you could be seeing here. But if it's off, this is how it will look like. But if I on it, you will see. If I on it, there are things that people can come here and see. So the first thing I want you to do, you will on this tag for me, and that will make YouTube know more about your channel, so that when people come, they can see something at your home tab. Don't just leave it empty. Yes. So on that channel tab, there is a layout, and on that layout, you are going to put videos there, so that they are going to help people to know what's happening on your channel, like your best video, your live stream. So let me walk you through. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you click here where it says add section. So it depends on you which section you want to add. Like here, there is what they call a channel trailer. You can record a channel trailer about your channel, or you can just go ahead and put an introduction video introducing yourself to people, maybe welcoming them to your channel. That's an idea. You can go with that, or you can put your best performing video. As you see, I've put my best performing video here already. Yes, I've put it. It was like actually the video that got me monetized, so I've put it there. So when people come here, it's the first one they will see, and they'll be like, this video is doing well. They'll also get interested to watch it. If you have a video that is maybe if your best video is like 100 views, you can put that. If it's like 1K views, you can put that, or you can put your introduction video. Then they have this section that you can add spotlight for returning subscribers. you can add for you, and you can add videos. Yes, as you see, I've put here my popular videos. As you can see, there are 54 of them, videos that have performed well on this channel. So I went ahead and included them here, so you can go check in your channel videos that have worked well for you. Maybe they have 5,000 views, maybe they have 100 views, 500 views. Don't feel shy like, my video didn't work well because I got 500 views. Those 500 views, it's a number and it counts. So you put your popular videos here. Then you can also put your short videos. As you see, I added my short videos here already. Yes, I added my short videos already here. There are 141 of them. Yes. So, but if I want, like, maybe let me show you, if I want, like, to delete this section, let me show you how I'll add it. Let me say I delete it and I remove section, so it will not appear there anymore and people will not see it. But if I want to add it again, you click here on where it says add section. Then I'll add the section for my videos again, and it will be appearing here. So if you were like, you do live streams like me, then you can also add your live streams there, and your live streams will be appearing. As you can see, then you can see all those live streams there, they are appearing. Or you can also put a section where people can see upcoming live streams that you are going to, that you have scheduled. Maybe it will be going live in the next 2 days, 48 hours, or next week, so that people will know, there's a live stream that is coming. You can create a playlist. The good thing about creating a playlist, people don't get confused. Like, if you are creating content about how to cook eggs, maybe you've made like 10 videos about to cook eggs, then you can create a playlist of how to cook eggs and you put those videos in one place. Then if you have another videos that you've created on how to cook meat, and maybe that there are 5 of them, then you can create a playlist for that. So if a person comes to your channel and they want only to watch how to cook eggs, they will just go to that playlist of how to cook eggs and they will be watching those videos one by one. Yes, you understand why it's important to create playlists. You can create multiple of them to help your viewers, like to help your viewers experience to be better. Yes, to help your viewers experience to be better. So that's how you are going to add all those sections on your channel. Yes, as I told you, you can add all of this. Yes, it's not hard, it's easy. And when you finish adding them, you can come here where it says publish. Then when you click publish, those sections are going now to be live on YouTube. Anybody can see them. But if you don't click publish, the work that you've put there will not be shown on YouTube. That's why it's important you click publish so that it will be published. So as you saw, I deleted my video section, so I'm going to add it back there, so it will be added back there, so it will be seen, so that when people come, they can see all this that you've added on your channel. Yes, then another thing that I want to show you, you come here where it says settings. Most people don't turn on these settings. You come here where it says settings, and there are some settings that you are going to tag on that are going to help your channel grow. Then you will come here and click on channel. Yes, when you click on channel, you put in tags, like tags, keywords that are going to help people know, that is going to help YouTube know what your channel is about. So when you put in these tags, anytime you post a video, already YouTube knows that your channel is about, now like this, my channel is about gospel, or it's a Christian channel. So when I post something, YouTube knows the right people to push it to, because of this tags I put that helps it to guide them. So you can put tags. And another thing that I want you to put, you go on YouTube and search in your niche which channels are doing well. If maybe you are in the make money niche, then you put here maybe those top channel of YouTubers that you are watching there, they are doing well, so that it will help also push your channel. Maybe like this is a prayer channel, I can come here and add, like, there is this YouTube channel which is God Grace for Purpose, and it's doing well, it's about prayers. I'll add it here so that YouTube will know this channel is like this and it falls into this. So YouTube will be recommending these videos to the same people that are watching the videos on those YouTubers that you've included here. You don't include their names, but include the name of their channels. Then you go ahead and save that. Then you also come here and put in if your channel is for kids or it's not for kids, or you want to review these settings every time you post a video. It is going to help you to save time, and it will tell YouTube what your channel is about. As you see, mine, I've set it's not for kids, so you go there and choose. Are you making content for children? You choose yes, it's for kids. Or you want to review this every time you post a video. That's also good. But me, I have set it already so that I don't have to waste my time to do that. Yes. So you come here on future eligibilities. You're supposed to make sure that all these things are eligible. First, number one, let me tell you why. First, the first thing is that it's going to help you make live streams. It's good. And another thing, most if you don't make these features eligible, if you are like starting a YouTuber, they will not allow you to create thumbnails for your channel if you haven't reached like some subscribers. So you need to make these eligible so that you can create your thumbnails if you are starting. And another thing, what is going to help you, it's going to help you to be putting links in your description below, links that people that are going to click on and buy some products. And that's another way that you are going to monetize your YouTube channel even before you get into the YouTube partner program, so that you can be monetizing, like doing affiliate marketing. Yes. And another thing, guys, I wanted to show you, if like I want to come here and create a video. Yes, most people, when you are creating a video, you are posting your videos the wrong way. So if I want to come here and put a file here, yes, a file I'm showing you, but I'm not posting anything yet. So if I want to come like put this video which I recorded in the webcam, then before I take this video to upload it in YouTube, I'm supposed to come here and change the name and put the title of my video. Let me say if my video is about how to cook chicken with rice. So I'll come in my computer, change the name of the file and say how to cook chicken and rice and beans, and I would rename my video according to the title that I'm going to use YouTube, so that anytime I post my video on YouTube, as I'm posting it already, to be telling the algorithm what my video is about, and YouTube will start preparing itself where to push it. And another thing that you are going to do, that if you are going to put your thumbnail, you are also going to use the same title of the same type that you are going to use for YouTube, and it's the same that you are going to name your thumbnail with, so that when you are dragging and dropping your thumbnail to YouTube, YouTube will know what this thumbnail is about. So you will use how to cook rice and chicken, and that's what will be the name of your thumbnail in your computer and the name of your title, so that when you drag them, YouTube will know where it's going to push your video. And another thing, there is like this extension that is called VIQ, so that when you put the name of the video, of the title of your video, that VIQ would be also suggesting other titles that you can use that are already performing well on YouTube. That's another hack that I wanted to show you. So guys, if you want to go further on YouTube and make it better for you, just go ahead, turn on these settings. As you can see, they are going to help you, and they will be helping YouTube to push your videos to the right people and to the right audience. Don't wait for tomorrow, just go ahead and do it. Thank you for watching. If you've been watching out of this end, thank you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to go turn on these settings, and YouTube will love you and the algorithm will love you. See you.